Experiment number 9, determination of rate constant of first order reaction. Aim of this experiment is to determine rate constant of first order reaction. Requirements: chemicals, methyl acetate, 0.5 normal hydrochloric acid, 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide, phenolphthalein indicator and distilled water. Apparatus like beakers, pipettes, burette and its stand, reagent bottles, round bottom flask, reflux condenser, constant temperature water bath and thermometer. Theory behind this experiment is first order reaction is defined as a reaction in which the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of one reacting substance. According to this definition, the rate dC upon dt is mathematically expressed as minus dC upon dt is equal to kJc, where kJ is first order reaction rate constant and C is concentration of the reactant, M or N or mole. In the reaction of methyl acetate and water, acetic acid and methanol get formed. In this reaction, at time t from the start of reaction, the concentration of methyl acetate decreases and the decreased concentration be x mole per liter. Then at any time t, change in a concentration is A minus x mole per liter. The specific reaction rate constant K is calculated by using following equation. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A upon A minus x. The concentration of methyl acetate varies with progress of reaction and hence it is first order reaction. Procedure: take 100 ml 0.5 normal HCl in a reagent bottle. Place the bottle in constant temperature water bath and note the temperature. Note here, temperature of water bath should be maintained constant as any variation affects rate of reaction. Add 5 ml of methyl acetate to above mentioned reagent bottle and note the time at addition. T is equal to a minute. Shake the reaction mixture immediately. Withdraw 5 ml from it and transfer to a conical flask containing crushed ice or cold water. Note here, approximate 10 gram crushed ice or 10 ml cold water is required to freeze the equilibrium. Titrate this mixture against 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide using phenolphthalein as an indicator. Let the titer reading be V0. End point pink color must persist for at least 1 minute. Frequently swirl or stir the reaction mixture and by withdrawing each time 5 ml of the mixture from the reagent bottle at time t 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 minutes. Titrate as described in step 4. Let the titer reading be VT. Reflux remaining mixture on a boiling water bath for 1 hour. After refluxation, cool the reaction mixture to a water bath temperature. Withdraw 5 ml of reflux reaction mixture and titrate against 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution using phenolphthalein as an indicator. Let the titer reading be V infinity. Observations like water bath temperature in degrees Celsius, titer reading at time 0, that is V0 in ml of 0.1 normal NaOH, infinity reading, that is a V infinity in ml of 0.1 normal NaOH, initial concentration of ester A, that is a V infinity minus V0 in a ml of 0.1 normal NaOH. In observation table, first column, in that you have to mention time, that is a T in a minute from 0 to 50. Second column, in that you have to mention Vt in a ml. Third column, in that you have to calculate X by the formula Vt minus V0 in a ml. In next column, A minus X is equal to V infinity minus V0 in a ml. In next column, you have to mention log of A minus X, and in a last column you have to calculate the K, that is specific reaction rate constant, by the formula 2.303 upon T log 10 A upon A minus X. Also you have to calculate mean of K. Regarding calculations, determination of K by substitution. Calculate values of K by substituting titer readings at different times in equation of reaction rate constant for first order reaction. By the formula K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A upon A minus X. Find values of K from slope of the graph as given below. Determination of K from graph. In logarithmic form, the rate constant equation for first order reaction is written as log A minus X is equal to minus K upon 2.303 T plus log A. Plot the graph log A minus X versus time in a minute. Lastly, you can write the result, the value of K by substitution and by the graph. Since the value of K remains practically constant, the hydrolysis of the methyl acetate in the presence of acid is a first order reaction. Thank you.